Nicole. I saw you.
Not even funny. Your laugh is like the witch from Wizard of Oz. Are you smiling at a video?
Lame.
Don't! No!
No.
Hold on. You like this one? I fucked those freaking. I cut their fucking throats.
And fed on chicken.
Pero pollo.
That sounds so weird. Like normally, like before I knew pollo, we'd probably be like fed on pollo, and it wouldn't sound weird. But now I just.
Ow! You cracked my knuckle. Don't do nothing. You erased the question. Shit. Oh, yeah. We're just not gonna do that question.
What was the best album?
Did you attend any parties?
Hell yeah!
Is there any big family drama for you?
On the next one, put definitely.
Whose is this?
Mine.
Claire, family drama?
Throw it in the basura.
What? Family drama?
Kinda. See if I care, you little caquita. Definitely. I'll kill you. You see, we got that right one. That right one. You're gonna make me You can break my eardrum. You can break my eardrum. You can break my eardrum. You can break it. You break it. I'm already dead. I'm already dead. No. Kylie, no! What did you do?
Just the last one, it was like, are you, what was the last question?
Turn me on that round.
No, that's not mine. That was the other one. Hold on.
Okay, that one, haha. You can read them all now. Read them all, Nicole. Let her read them all.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wait, read them all, please.
No, but wait, that was
Too drunk?
Too drunk. Which one?
This one. Too drunk. No.
I didn't even get drunk. Not drunk.
Wiser? No. No.
Prostitute /
We got wasted? Prostitute! I'm not a prostitute! Gotta keep that. Don't remember too wasted. Right up there. But like, kind of drugs made me forget? Fishes is going down. You guys